Today we're going to show you how to perform a bow offset and calibrate the compass on the Force Pro trolling motor to use heading hold and anchor lock features. You must calibrate the compass in the trolling motor before you can use the autopilot features. For the best results, you should calibrate the motor on a day with little or no wind on calm water. The calibration process can be repeated if the autopilot features are not performing as expected. A connected remote foot pedal or chart plotter will be required to perform the calibration process. We will be using the remote for both calibrations, but you can also use the chart plotter with the trolling motor bar overlay on a chart or sonar screen. The trolling motor also must be fully deployed in an open body of water for these procedures. The bow offset is used to align the trolling motor to the center line of your boat. Based on the installation angle of the mount, most boats will need to perform a bow offset. Fully deploy the trolling motor. Using the remote control, adjust the angle of the trolling motor so it aligns with the center line of the boat, pointing straight forward. Now, select Menu on the remote control. Then select Settings, Trolling Motor, Calibrate, and then Bow Offset. Use the left and right arrows to center the trolling motor with the bow. Select the down arrow to set the bow offset. Now it's time to calibrate the compass drive. Move the boat to an open area of calm water and stop moving. Make sure the trolling motor is fully deployed. Select Menu, Settings, Trolling Motor, Calibrate, and then Compass. The remote will display a message to perform 1.5 circles in either direction to complete the compass calibration. Select the right arrow to start the calibration. Turn the propeller on and perform 1.5 circles in either direction. The remote will show progress from 0 to 100%. Once completed, a message will appear saying Compass Calibrated. You can repeat the calibration process if the autopilot features are not performing as expected. Anchor gain or the heading hold mode options in the settings will need to be adjusted if the autopilot features are not performing as expected. Anchor gain sets the response of the trolling motor when in anchor lock mode. Increase the value if you need the trolling motor to be more responsive. Decrease the value if the motor is too responsive. Select the right arrow once you have reached your desired value. Heading hold mode will give you two options. The vessel align option attempts to keep the boat pointing in the same direction regardless of drift. The Go To option attempts to navigate a straight line in the requested direction. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more helpful videos, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.